Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and in this video I'm going to share a walkthrough of the Basic Beginner mini album that we've been working on through this whole playlist. Our album is finally done, and I wanted to show you how I embellished the cover. Just very simply. I used some simple corners that I made out of cardstock, some stickers, just embellishment stickers that I got for the outside, and a nice sentiment here. And I left room because I thought it would look great with a picture. And here's our ribbon closure. And when we open it up, we have our first page. Nice little sentiment quote here, and 3 little just decorative cards. I used one paper collection for this. This is called the Gray Mood Paper Collection, and it's by Craft O'Clock. And I will link right up in the corner to the paper collection if you're interested. But I really wanted to keep this as a beginner mini album, so there's not a whole huge lot of embellishments or just other busyness going on. Here's a chipboard quote, and all of these things are going to be linked down in the description box below, so you can check out all the supplies. These are flowers and leaves. These are basic gray flowers and leaves, also by Craft O'Clock. And here's our first page that opens up. Another sentiment quote here, a nice pocket. This is a magnet closure, and then we filled the tunnel with a piece of pattern paper, which can have a photo added to it. Then we have our waterfall page for photos on the inside. It looks really nice. I love the way this paper collection looks. It's just so nice and neutral. I was thinking it would look great for like prom or a wedding or an anniversary album, where you could actually add more embellishments once you know what the actual occasion is. Because this is a neutral album, then you could do it that way and add more color later and more little cards. I like doing the little cards because you can end up adding a photo on both sides if you wanted, or a photo and then like little journaling on the other side or something. Okay. And I like this little circle, half circle opening here. Let's make this look a little nicer, shall we? Okay. And then another fill the tunnel. We filled the tunnel with a nice piece of paper. We really didn't even do anything special to it. We just filled the tunnel in there. And now we have a nice belly band page with 2 little embellishment pieces inside that are good for photos or journaling. Chipboard quote and just a few flowers. Here we have our ribbon closure that opens to reveal our little flip flaps. It says the most beautiful things. I love this. So great. It really turned out nice. I'm very pleased with the way our album turned out. And then here's another piece in here that slides out. Here's our pocket tower with just little pieces that come out. And this is great for photos or journaling or both. It looks really nice, simple. And this is our unusual accordion that pulls out. It does have a pocket here, but I decided not to fill it. I just leave it right there as a decoration. And then your pocket, or your unusual accordion, also pulls out this way just a bit. Okay, so you've got the back side as well. And then this also pulls out from the tunnel inside. Then we have our final page with a side waterfall, and it looks really nice. Nice and simple, nice and basic. And then our final, we added a pocket at the very end with just a few decorative cut-aparts and a nice sentiment. So if you have never made a mini album before and maybe you're too nervous to try, or you're just not sure about how to get started, this would definitely be, this whole playlist would be the perfect way for you to give it a try. We start from scratch, from white cardstock and cardboard to the mini album. So definitely check out the rest of the playlist and build this mini album along with me. I will take you every step of the way, step by step. Each page has its own tutorial, and it's free for you right here at Sandpaper Road. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next project video. Bye-bye.